Alright, going on another drive. A bunch of us going, about 8 or 9 of us going down through this swamp. Check it out. That's the camera mount. Good luck to you, brother. Yeah, I saw him coming on up the swamp too, man.
Did you saw him?
Yeah, I saw him too.
Bitch swung out there and I was sitting over there. I didn't really see the bitch, and then I just turned, I saw him. And I hit the swing, when I swung the gun around, he took off. I ran straight to him.
He came up here first.
Yeah, he came up right up there, right there.
Damn.
That time I turned and swung the gun around, he was running away from me.
Hey, Mike, I got a good dog.
Yeah. Hey, like
Hey, Jay.
All right, I'll tell you
Oh, my goodness.
I'll tell you something. Hey, I need a... What do you think, Mike?
My God. Nice.
Your daddy was sleeping on me and he got by.
what'd you see him at coming that way?
8 pointer.
Came out right here.
8.
And I was sitting there with my gun this way. Walked the couple that way. And when
I called my daughter. She said, Dad, you can't mount
I
this
was
one.
running right down
This
the
way.
street. Walked a couple that way, did it? Yeah, they were coming. Yep. They were right up here.
Oh, my God. It's going to be hard to beat him in weight, too.
I think my other one might
Yeah,
wait.
this is Bobby. As you all know, you done probably seen him on 3 of my videos already. It seems like he killed every Saturday. He's an 8 pointer.
Bigger is the one I've been seeing.
Nice deal. Congratulations, Bobby.
Thank you, buddy.
I think them deer came from across the road.
Yes, sir.
That's the one I saw last
That's
night.
the ones I've been seeing.
You still videoing?
Yeah.
I see
Well,
1, 2, 3, 4.
I got to thank his daddy,
Here's
Virgil.
the other eight's gone, and
He
Zach
got
and
by
the
him
one
quick
over.
before he could throw 2 shots at him.
What do you think?
When he came by me, he saw me and I nailed him and
No.
Pop, you
went
was
across the
sleeping. Come on.
creek. He shot
You
again
want to take
and
a cat nap?
I shot and third shot dropped him.
Where was he at? Right
Said
here?
deer down.
No, I was further up.
We'll continue when we get to the club. We got a long way to go with this one again. Exactly where I killed Mardo on that last week.
Yep.
So my daughter gonna be mad. She didn't come
I
today.
seen him.
Well, this is your last time you'll get this stand, brother.
Hey,
All the way around.
your daddy took that from you.
Yep.
Hey, you should have said your field marshal done damn good. You tried to interrupt me.
Confirm on.
Talk to me, bro. What you got, man?
8 pointer.
8?
Yeah.
Pick his horns up so we can see it, man.
Shot him in his rack there.
Nice size deer. I don't know, Bobby. That deer there got a nice old body on him too, man.
Shoot, that one that I shot at before.
Yeah, I like to see him.
Oh man, he was a mule, man. I just couldn't stop him.
You ought to see the one Bobby got over there, boy.
He was a mule.
He is a mule. That gun empty?
Yeah, it's empty.
Nice buck. Congratulations, my brother.
Appreciate it.
I see where the pepper hit him.
Yes, sir.
That where the pepper hit him.
Yes, sir.
And it still bleeding. Look at that. Boom.
Yeah. Flipped him over, shot him in his face first, man.
I see that. He getting a little Michael Jordan tongue action there.
Yeah.
But you know, sometimes, man, you shoot him in the face like that, man, they keep right on running.
Yeah.
Oh, man, you had a buckshot, man, hit his rack.
Yeah. All
That
I can
ain't
do
cool.
is shoot that deer, man. I should have killed that other one, man.
Yeah.
I should have killed him.
If we would have waited till it jumped over that tree, we would
Yeah.
have.
Where'd he come from?
He came from behind me. Like right up in that corner over there. Came from over there.
Jumped over a tree,
And he
came
was
straight shot.
coming right on behind me.
What?
Yeah.
He hit it once.
Yeah.
He shot about 3 times.
Maybe that deer come from them guys on the other side of the road.
Congratulations.
Did the other boy shoot?
I don't know who's all shot, man. I heard you got a mule back. Hey, look, I wish I could have got that first one.
Boom.
Did I tell you? All this
Bobby.
Oh, I'm sorry, brother. I'm sorry, photographer. Taylor, you missed it again, baby.
Look at that.
I'm gonna drag him. I said, you gonna do what? He said, I'm gonna drag him.
All right, boy.
What's up, man? Hey, you get this?
Hey,
Hey, get this.
hey, that's what.
Mike. Good job, buddy. That's the way we do it. Cool, man. I'm glad that you know he was heading your way.
No, that was a different deal with the.
No, it was 2 of them.
Yeah. I shot at both of them.
Yeah.
Go bring it over here, Mike. Y'all get together. Take them together.
I shot on one of the ones.
Y'all take them two.
You shot at him how many times?
3 times. Blam, blam, blam.
I figured that was you.
That was me. I ain't having one shot. I had to shoot it when I could.
That's what you gotta do sometime, man. You gotta spit all 3 and I hope she hit.
Yeah, running fast.
Ask the man who killed him was he running fast.
I mean, running fast when you shot.
Now.
Oh, we got another 8-pointer. Oh, so done kill 3 8s today. Oh, you did a fake shot too.
Hey, I'm the official spotter where I got to move. Lift up, Mike. Oh, he ain't used to doing this.
He used to them little scrub 3-pointers and 4-pointers and spikes.
Come on, Omar.
Omar, bring yours.
Omar, drag your deer over here, Omar.
You bring yours in
Hey,
there.
Johnny.
Your horn broke off, man, but you still had an 8. Bring it on over here.
Get down, Omar. Let Omar get in there with y'all.
Johnny, take a picture.
Y'all gonna still consider that a 8-pointer, right?
What? Hey, Russ. You have the horn on, Mark?
Nah, it fell off.
Hey, Ross.
He was 151 on the 8-pointer. Back up.
What you have is a nice neck on it.
The other one had a bigger neck.
Yeah, but that's what makes those mounts
Yeah.
nice. Is the neck. The rack
Thank
in
you,
the neck.
Mikey.
Rack in the neck.
Yeah, you try to save it so I can.
Well, now I don't know what to do.
You take one with this real quick, sir.
There's Omar with the 8-pointer. Got the horns broke off. Get the guts out.
Ray know how to do it. If you file it, you can already cut down too low.
Yeah, on the neck.
So you can already cut down.
Where you gonna mount it?
Too late.
Then he can
That's right.
he could do the thing.
You can sew it back up.